Definitely, the coronavirus has changed our lives. If I go over March when the pandemic started, I have to say that I really felt anxious, nervous, scared, and insecure about the future. In particular, my concern was in relation with my parents and the elderly people of my family. Especially when I watch on the TV news related to the number of deaths in Guayaquil, especially. At the same time, it was a period to reflect about my life and my relationships. So I could appreciate the true value of family, friends, and the real value and the opposite of money, since it did not matter the money that we have if we could not enjoy it because we have to stay confined in our house. I consider this time very hard for the world because of the terrible consequences for people in terms of health and economy. But the worst thing is that the world won't learn the lesson in spite of the hardest of our reality. Thanks.